Hi, today I'm going to show you how we can remove the rear bumper for this BMW i3. Okay, open the boot. For this we're going to find the two screws in the sides, one here and one here. We will going to have to use the 8mm socket. I'm using the electric drill. You can use the ratchet. After this, we will gonna go in the sides to remove the screws. For this, we will gonna need the 8mm socket. I'm gonna use the ratchet because the space is very small here. Now I'm gonna do the same thing in the left side. And now we're gonna go on the underneath. Under the bumper, we're gonna use the 8mm socket. I'm using the electric drill because it's much faster, but you can use the ratchet. It's no problem. Okay, we have here one here, one here, one here. In the sides, we're gonna have to remove this one a bit, and we have to push this one inside like this, and in the same time we have to pull the bumper out. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other one. That's it. You can ask somebody to help you, like somebody, a friend or something. Okay, now we go on this side. As you can see in the sides, we have to take this one like that, and we have to put the light inside to see much better. So inside here we have these clips. So we have 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, and 1 on the top. So we're gonna have to push these clips inside, and in the same time we have to push like that. Okay, you can use a big screwdriver, not like me. Okay, and now the last one. After that, you will gonna have to shake a bit the bumper, and it's gonna come off. You have to take out the number plate as well. because the number plate it's inside of that bumper protection, so we have to remove the screws to don't be stuck. So we take this one out like this. We remove this screw as well with an 8mm. Like this, you see, very easy. Now with a small screwdriver we push these sensor plugs out, and inside here we have to remove the number plate lights. So we're gonna have to press this one and we're gonna push them out like this, and then we have to press like this and remove. Do the same thing on the other one like that. Okay, now the last plug. That's it. And now the sensors.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Bye.
This is the way how you remove the rear bumper for this BMW i3. Like this video, please give me one like. If you are not subscribed yet, you can subscribe to my channel to see more videos. This is for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.